Advertising. Why advertising of your posters, videos, or things there? Because you need to advertise. If you do not advertise or announce that you are going to having your conferences within your university or open to the public, so how can you gather the audience? The more audience and more impact on the market, it will be more benefit and long lasting. So you have to prepare your marketing strategy. How can you connect with your audience? It may be a video, posters, and which platforms are good. Mostly people are available on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and number of professional things for there. And every platform have their audiences, and you have to customize messages and prepare for bulk SMS on WhatsApp and messaging services. Also, you can create a number of landing pages, and you can create lead magnet to what the conference is all about, and give them the ebook of something value of things at, and they prepare and learn more about your conference and get into the paid and pay the more fees, because you have to keep advertise and keep engaged with logical and emotional of people, because every value people get by from their interests. If your ad is not interesting or poster is not interest, so how can you gather your audience from your costs? So you have to prepare and create something impact and advertising it. And conferences are very better, and you have to create something emotional and valuable advertisement. So take advantage of social media at massive reach and more successful campaign on conferences to advertise. Let's move to more collaboration, affiliation. How can we take advantage of people who have already done number of conferences and take to the next step? Thank you.